Coinomi Crypto Wallet Review, Watch Before Using. In this video, we're diving deep into the Coinomi Crypto Wallet, one of the most popular and versatile wallets available. Links to all products mentioned are in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Coinomi is designed for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts, offering a user-friendly interface with advanced security features. Launched in 2014, Coinomi is one of the oldest wallets on the market, supporting over 1,770 digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a vast range of altcoins and tokens. This extensive support makes it an excellent choice for users looking to manage a diverse portfolio in one place. One of the standout features of Coinomi is its strong focus on security. The wallet uses industry-standard encryption to keep your private keys safe, which are stored locally on your device, not on Coinomi's servers. This means you retain full control of your funds at all times. Additionally, Coinomi supports SegWit transactions, enabling faster and cheaper Bitcoin transactions, which is a big plus for active users. Coinomi is also known for its privacy features. Unlike many other wallets, Coinomi doesn't require you to go through a KYC Know Your Customer process. It also doesn't track your transactions or IP address, ensuring your financial activities remain private. Furthermore, the wallet offers built-in support for dApps and decentralized exchanges, allowing you to trade directly from the wallet without relying on third-party platforms. For those concerned about ease of use, Coinomi delivers a straightforward experience with an intuitive interface that's available on both mobile and desktop. The wallet also supports multiple languages, making it accessible to a global audience. Coinomi's integration with Shapeshift and Changely allows users to swap between cryptocurrencies without leaving the app, adding to its convenience. However, it's important to note that Coinomi is a software wallet, which means it's less secure than a hardware wallet, especially if you're storing large amounts of cryptocurrency. While Coinomi has never been hacked, it's always recommended to use hardware wallets for long-term storage of substantial funds. In summary, Coinomi is a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile, secure, and private crypto wallet with a broad range of supported assets. Its ease of use and integration with popular exchanges make it ideal for everyday use. But for maximum security, consider pairing it with a hardware wallet. Remember, always do your own research and choose a wallet that fits your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more information.